Many of the dramatic moments from the historic floods were captured in haunting videos, including this woman carried 20 miles in raging floodwaters, ends up clutching to a tree. Now Jim Murray can reveal who that woman is.
Help is coming!
A woman clings to a tree. Her clothes have been ripped from her body. We now know who she is. Her name is Devyn Smith. She's 22. She was swept 20 miles downriver, over dams and under bridges, and clung to the tree for over an hour before she was rescued.
I was hollering across the river. She saw me.
Carl Jeter shot the video that's being seen around the world. Was she dodging debris and objects on her 20-mile journey? It must have been harrowing.
Oh, yeah. She told of RVs that would pass her by, vehicles, refrigerators.
4 of her family members have been found dead. A 5th is still missing.